Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Starting the live a little early this morning. Good morning, me. Good morning, William. Welcome in. Figured I would get on here early and answer some questions, talk, all that good stuff. Good morning. No shame. How are you? Most of the time I watch the 5 minute chart correct for confirmation. Nice. Passed a couple evals. That's awesome. Good morning, Austin. It's true. Yeah, you all can share the live, but trading doesn't start for another 25 minutes. I'm just answering some questions. Yeah, I'm gonna try to start putting out more videos for you all on YouTube. So hopefully we can get the views back up what they used to be. Takes a minute to build back up when you quit, you know, or slow down. What do I drive? I drive a Ram 2500 diesel, Laramie. This is my daily driver. I haven't golfed much, so I wouldn't be the one to golf with. I would like to put more effort into it this year, but I mean, I've got some toys as well. My daily driver is my diesel, but what's not my daily? I have my Cobra, mint condition. Have side by side loaded out for the mountains. That's all. That's it. Any news today? It's a good question. Yeah, we had initial jobless claims already dropped. I don't see any more this morning. No, just gonna be patient this morning. Good morning, Canary. Welcome in. Just yellow photo. Appreciate that. Mom's explaining. Good morning. Perfect time to ask some questions. Good morning, Team Bull. For those just joining the Zoom, welcome in. I'm sure Jaden will be around in a minute. Probably just getting ready. Roger, this is my own indicator, Grisology, and stick around if you're interested in it. Towards the end of this live, I was going to announce something I got asked about yesterday during the live. So, good morning, Eddie. C. Price. Nice. Hopefully we can get some more, another nice trade today. We're on a nice roll here to start the year. So, nice streak. Good morning, Jay Quinn. Good morning, Lynn. What's everyone's favorite setup this morning? What are you all watching? You're welcome, Stacy. Can everyone hear me well? I want to make sure the volume's good. See the screen and everything? Awesome. Perfect. You like a break and retest of pre-market high C price? You know, I don't hate it. I'm gonna watch that as well. Basically the setup we caught yesterday off the open, but we did the overnight high was a little bit closer, but still. Appreciate that, Corey, for letting us know. He's not far from me. I should go meet him, right? Let's see. Should be able to unmute now, Jaden. I made you host as well. So. you're speaking, I cannot hear you. One question. Wait. Alright, 1 second. I got a few questions I got behind on here. How do you use Divergence? Josh, do me a favor and
Yo.
watch my one of my recent YouTube videos. I talk about it in there. So how the strategies I'm using in 2026.
I had some personal life responsibilities to take care of this morning.
Good morning.
What's going on? I was just saying, sorry I'm late. I had that thing called life to deal with this morning, but all is Gucci. Just took me a little bit longer to get on trading.
It's always something, isn't it?
Always something, right? Always something. How's your morning, man, bro? What's the market looking like?
Well, you might be surprised, but we're still in this range.
Oh no, this is where we loving to sit.
That's where we live now. What's my win rate? It's 100% this year. Haven't had a losing trade. We'll see. Give me a month in, and I'll give you my win rate for this year. Give me another month. You all can track it as well. I trade live with you all every day. You can watch the lives if you would like.
Okay. What's up, Wook Sauce? Good, everybody.
Doesn't bother me. It's been the longest pre-market ever. I feel like I've been waiting on the market to open for like 7 hours.
No worries.
Good morning, everyone. Just now joining the Zoom.
What's up? What's up? What's up, Jay Quinn? Good morning, bro. I'm gonna have to get up and get my bowl of fruit here soon.
Any more questions? YouTube or TikTok? The crowd will be here in about 14 minutes. I started early so I could catch, the early bird questions. Do I wait for orb to establish? Not yesterday. If I get a trend entry, I'll enter early, but most of the time we wait for the first 15 minutes before taking a trade. See what's going on. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Wes. I don't really have anything specific I'm looking for off the open.
All right, everybody, let's go, Team Ball.
We're just gonna have to be patient and see what the market gives us today.
Started today. Let's keep the win streak moving. Let's keep our win streak intact. We're 3 for 3 going into the trading year. I think it's time that we make it 4 for 4.
Thanks, Bill. Appreciate you all taking the time and watching my YouTube videos. I just have to be consistent. The views will come back. Didn't post much last year as far as... We went live a lot last year, but didn't make a whole lot of content, but that's changing. I don't know about that, Nick.
the Jared Tendler recording for you. I seen there was a lot of positive interaction in the Jared Tendler meeting yesterday. I got you, bro. I'm glad that you guys are utilizing it. It's a huge part of.
What's up? I don't really see much. I guess we'll look for a trend entry. Like, I don't see a whole lot right now. I know that's gonna change once we get the range in. Oop, about pulled off my phone. Do I trade live account or prop firm? I try to trade both. I trade my personal account the most, but I've been working on some fundeds and evals with you all. If you all, what was I gonna say? If you want to try some out, just go to my website, grizzlytrades.com. You'll see Take Profit, Apex, Tradeify. Kind of look through them, see which one best fits you. You know what you like, which one you'd rather use. Use code Grizzly for the discount. So. What's Tesla doing? I'm looking at Tesla in front of me here. I'll check it out for you, alright? Oh, wow. I don't see anything on Tesla. Not for a minute. Nvidia is ranging maybe like a 185 area bounce, 186. This would be range, but it's let's see, since Friday it's been in this range. Goes down to like 186.5. Back up to that 192 area. All right, everyone. Take them when they come, I would say, whenever you get them. When you can request a payout and make sure you live, you know, if you plan on continuing to use that account, make sure you leave some padding. But take your payouts as you get them, because, you know, they're not easy to reach. And once you get to them, make sure you're locking that in. And maybe you want to continue trading funded accounts instead of personal, or maybe you want to use the payout to fund your personal, you know. there's not just one right way to do things in the trading world. So whatever works best for you. I trade MNQ, but we always watch the NQ charts. Okay, Silver. Good morning. Welcome in. All right, we got 5 minutes, Team Bull. Good morning, Mason. Welcome in. Good morning, Nick. How'd the birthday go? 3 to 5 MNQ is all you need if you trade with me. I'm telling you all, it's very important you don't overposition, especially with funded accounts. They're not set up to Good morning. What is it? Really? Are you serious? Good morning. What is it? 4 more minutes. Just read the. No, you don't have to trade every day with them to get payouts. No. Go to my website. I'm telling you, just go to grizzlytrades.com. Check them out. grizzlytrades.com. Use code Grizzly, all caps, for the discount. I mean, I don't talk about my personal account, the size I take in there all the time, because you can't base it off, my size on that account, off what you should trade. Gilbert, you thinking downside? I'm not for sure. The only setup I like close would be if we broke above this here, this pre-market high, get a strong close like we had yesterday and look for the pullback. But I may look for more of a pullback closer to this overnight high area right here for my entry. We'll see.
All right. Woo! What up?
What's up?
What's up, bro? Sorry, guys.
2 minutes.
Woo!
Bless you.
Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. Don't. Let's make ourselves some money today, folks. It is a discipline over dopamine morning here.
Team Boy, I'm gonna watch this, for those looking at my chart, I'm gonna watch this demand here for a bounce. If we push down off the open. And other than that, I just like the trend above that pre-market high. Basically the trade we caught yesterday.
We really are still in this range, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately. Someone asked me earlier, I missed a question, but they was asking about the evals, and the only company that.
All right, let's see.
Hold on.
There.
If you want to skip the evals, you go look at Tradeify in my website. They have the straight to funded options, but they are more expensive, and they tend to have stricter consistency rules. Oh. Let's do this. Market is open. This is awesome, King. Hey, Jaden, look in Team Bull chat.
One second. I'm typing out my I haven't.
Good morning, Brittany. Wow, what a sell-off here. Give us a push down to that demand I'm watching. What was I gonna say? I was gonna tell you all something. Oh, whenever you all was asking for the 7-day free trial for the indicator, Grisology, I opened it back up on the monthly if you all want to try it out. For those that don't have it in here. I'll turn it back off today, so if you're gonna get it, get it. I don't like leaving it on too long. Get people in there you don't want sometimes, you know. They're not dedicated to the trading game. GrizzlyTrades.com, yes, you'll see Grisology. Once you get it, it's better to access it off your desktop. It's easier to get the indicator. People sometimes run into issues trying to access it from your mobile, but you can use it on your mobile. But make sure you get the WAP app as well, so you can have it comes with a community, right? You have a community chat, and you'll have a user guide there as well. Complete user guide for Grisology. A 7-day free trial. Just cause you all asked in YouTube yesterday. And that's for TradingView, me. The code Brittany's NQ if you want to just go ahead and get the half off the first month. NQ.
If you do board too, as long as you do blues and blacks, like, honestly, even blues are fine. I'll settle for blues. We will settle for some blues.
Crazy amount of negative delta on this candle, everyone.
Are you saying full port shorts?
Dude, it's setting up. I mean, as long as the issue I have here is sweeping this pre-market low. You know how it does sometimes. But
Yep.
if this closes like this, I would be open to shorts on the retracement.
Yeah, my favorite place to go is Beaver Creek.
Jesus Christ. Chill out. Well, scratch the pullback idea. I don't know if it's gonna happen.
Jeez Louise, talk about an opening range. Let's see, a 100-point 5-minute candle. Well, I guess we can do similar to what we did yesterday. We can look at that 50% retracement of that candle and see where it's right in the middle of that range too. Pre-market high, pre-market low.
What a fair value gap. I don't see how anyone has caught a trade. Yeah, I don't see. It's just a straight down candle. I would be patient, everyone. I'm not sure what's going to happen
And
right here.
Jen already caught a banger in her.
Did she?
Yeah. She likes trading the first 5 minutes. Good for her. Good for her. She can do it. All the W's coming in. That's crazy. Let's see. I gotta do this real quick. Hold on.
Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning. I'm trying to see if I get the short entry up here, but we're not pulling back enough. Yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in chat. Has it, Mason? I'm just curious what trade there was to take this morning. I don't see it. Diverging.
I was hoping that we get that retrace back into that 50% retracement, but we didn't. We didn't get that. You guys see that I had that marked out on screen share. I wanted to see us with that aggressive candle down, push up, retest this range, and then.
Oh wow, sorry about that. You know it's moving when I can't keep the candlesticks on the chart. You all can see clear now, right? Welcome in. You are crushing it on the likes. Appreciate it. So we invalidated that demand. Wait a second. Why does it keep bringing this back? TradingView's on some games this week. I'm just gonna have to refresh all my charts.
Maybe a little bit.
What's up?
Is that anything you got in watch, bro?
Yeah, I'm looking for a push up for shorts.
That's what I was watching too. I was hoping we get something similar to what you taught yesterday. What I was watching,
Yeah.
where we tested the 50% of that first candle.
Yeah.
That was my initial watch. That's what I initially wanted to see. As long as they give us DOD, we will wait and see. Wait and see. Wait, okay.
What's up, everyone? Yeah, I'm mute, so I'm not distracted. I have to pay attention when I'm trading. It's nothing personal, but not with you all. Just when people speaking to me. I don't multitask well. Well, so much for the pullback, Jaden.
Yep. No pullback, no trade. That's how I look at it, at least.
Appreciate you sharing the live, Nick. Thanks, Dodger.
Not much.
What's up?
Order filled.
Jaden scaring everyone with the order field.
You weren't awake before, now you're awake, baby. Order filled. There we go. That's a good one.
What a range, everyone. Jeez. So where would be our entry at this point? What do you all think? Point of control would be my area. There's a couple of different areas, honestly. Pre-market low or that point of control. Make sure you follow. Go live every single morning. I was live early this morning answering questions. Got on at 9. What would be wild if this made a high day from here, right? Let me share my idea with Team Bull here.
70, highest candle
I'm watching-
7.
Sorry, was you in trade?
No, you're looking shorts?
725,706 is where I'm looking to enter. Stop, I have to be above that 38 or 39, 739. Close.
For shorts too, I just want to see a bit higher as well. I don't like how we bounced at 15-minute low and we're testing back up now.
It's probably just retesting that overnight low. Look at that.
That was my worry.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see one candle close below up before.
I like shorts here. But I like
See
a.
this candle.
Where's stop FB? 702.
Take me away. Got up to almost 80.
You looking for entry at 80?
Oh no, I was just saying we got up to almost 80. There's too much going on this chart. Our 50% retracement's up at 706.
This point of control as well. I feel like that's the highest probability short entry.
We got that pre-market low reject. 680.
Don't sell off here. Come on, NQ. Give us a setup. Give us a trade.
It's not looking great. We pop back up to like 650 to 660. I'm open to looking for a short entry. I'd rather see up to that 50% retracement. Something I guess could do is if we see a setup prior, I'll let you guys know if I enter. By the way, we can try it.
Not that I'm aware of. Give us a push to our level. Stay patient, everyone. No point in forcing trades or getting a trade early. Just wait on the setup, okay? Stay disciplined. I'm looking, Brady, at 706 still. Point of controls there. If we get in this trade or stop, we'll have to be above that pre-market low. 5-minute close back in. Back above. Alright, I gotta talk to Team Bull here. Alright, Team Bull. We're pushing up. I want to see a little higher.
I'm trying to hire this piece of shorts, guys.
You're starting your shorts now?
79, yep, 80. I'm gonna try this twice. So I did try a small piece there. If we go above 678, I'll stop for a loss. And my next
That's not me. That was Jayden. I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting.
If we get up to like
Waiting.
700, but I did try a small piece. I'm not gonna add to this either, guys. I want to see a low of day out of it, but just in case this is our lower high, try a small piece. If we go above 79, I'll stop out for a loss and look for re-entry at like 706, 710.
Yeah, I can't take it here. I gotta wait on that point of control area. Or at least in the 90s. Around there. I hope it prints so for
I
him.
want to see move down to like 20s to trim.
Give him 20 so we can get a trim off. Push down for Jayden.
Push down for Jayden, come on.
Get to the 20s.
Alright, guys, you know what? I'm going to be safe. Nope, I didn't get it. Never mind. Oh, I was going to trim as you get to lower 20s. If you want to trim,
It might go. I might miss the setup, but I'm not taking the trade unless it matches our plan. That's right, Courtney. We are committed to trading our systems only. In 2026. Yeah, plenty of time for questions on here. I'll be very clear if I take a trade, and I'll give you all a heads up, okay? Nice, Aaron. A lot of divergence today. I haven't looked at US in a minute. Now, if we get high volume and this candle closed below this range, we could possibly look for a short entry on a retracement, but we're getting very overextended on lower time frames. Jeff, if you'd like to, you can always set your trailing stop up. The way the way you want it to trail, if that's how you want to go about it. Yeah. All right. Didn't have no volume though. So now the orb's not even valid. I still believe we made the right move. Even if it just continues down all day and doesn't give us an entry. Jimmy, it's just on my chart. Highest volume point of control. On this time frame. Well, appreciate that. Any questions? You all bored because I haven't taken a trade yet? Yeah, I do sometimes. With I don't like. I'm not sure what you're asking. You say auto trade. I have strategies I use. Yes. Because I didn't see nothing confirming for me. I don't know why they took the trade. To be honest, I'm glad it worked out for them. But if you can show me why, I'll be down to maybe taking it next time. You know. Not, I'm not being rude or mean towards anyone. It's just the way I see it. Not everyone takes the trades the same. What was that? Literally the worst candle. It had a negative. That green candle had a negative delta. Definitely not trying to short here. Never, even if the delta is negative on a green candle, don't take it. It just never works out. So this green candle had higher volume than the previous. It could be a reversal candle. It's so weird. Can someone look? Does anybody have a? What is that? Was it the footprint charts? And see what the delta was on this candle here for me. Footprint. I was talking about the chart. I'm not talking about Bookmap. I'm talking about the footprint. You can do it. Find it right here. Let's see, volume footprint. Should show you the delta if you zoom in on that candle. It's hard for me to zoom in on these small charts. Yeah, boss, but it still doesn't match with our strategy. Even the candle had higher volume. It was overextended and wasn't to no key level or the 50%. We wasn't outside the 15-minute range yet. Sometimes trades can be intuition with some people, you know. NFP should be the biggest mover of the week. Should be. So, look forward. We got that to look forward to tomorrow. See what happens with that pre-market. Hopefully, we get out of this crazy range we've been in for so long. All right, we're finally pushing up to my setup, everyone. Hopefully, it's not one of them crazy days where we just reverse and make it all high day.
What? Juice? What juice? The juice is here. The juice. The juice. Yes. Great. We're trading good. We're 4 for 4 to start the year. And the Broncos are about to win the Super Bowl, which is great too.
All right, everyone. 706 area. I'm gonna try some shorts. Our stop will have to stay above. 5-minute close back above pre-market low. So position accordingly. Actually, ladies.
Those candles are low-key kind of sketchy.
Stop loss is a 5-minute close back above pre-market low. Back in.
You try shorts?
No, not yet. I was wanting a little higher.
I thought you glitched out or something because I heard stop loss going in your trade.
I was considering starting my position here and adding to it.
Ceiling.
I'm locked in here, everyone. Gotta concentrate, see if we get our entry up here. What has strength right now? Does anybody have some individuals pulled up? Is it Tesla or Nvidia?
Someone's got some strength. Tesla's strong. Tesla's making new high a day. We got Nvidia's actually weak. Nvidia's below its opening print. Nvidia's weak. AMD's weak. Chip sector's likely just weak as a whole.
Nvidia weak and Tesla
Yep.
pumping.
You know what we need to go crazy again? Remember SMCI?
Yeah, I remember. That's been a minute.
That was crazy. SMCI went crazy. You guys did make some money earlier. Be sure to post your gains too. We love seeing them. Grizzly loves seeing them. I love seeing them. Members like seeing them. Post your gains. Post your gains chat. Show off yourself balling.
Come on.
Hopefully it gives you that move up to that 700. I'm likely done for the day, but I'll be here watching with you. I'm gonna trade for like probably 20, 30 more minutes. Maybe more. Maybe till like 9 our time, so like 45 more minutes. I think there's some college football on the day too, Gene. I think we have Miami at Ole Miss. I think Miami's about to take down Ole Miss.
Come on, push up.
No, actually, Ole Miss is gonna take down Miami. I take that back. Indiana's obviously gonna whoop on Oregon. I mean, that's gonna be embarrassing for Oregon. Embarrassing.
No, I'm not in shorts yet. I'm waiting for the. Actually, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. It's just the risk rewards is not here. I mean, you could justify starting half your position, adding to it at that, but I'll at least want my average in the 90s.
So I'm gonna go over trade recap. Grizzly, if you see your trade, please interrupt me, okay? Please call it out. I was gonna talk about that trade I took. If you see your trade, please tell me to shut up. AJ Dunn, shut up. And I'll shut up. So the reason I took that trade earlier was we saw.
I got a concentrator one if we push up here. Starting my position in the 90s, everyone. Once we get there, I'll add right at point of control. I did get filled on that first up there. I will add to it though if we push up to point of control. I didn't even realize we went into the 90s there. I had a buy order. I am in shorts, yes. M and Q shorts. I will add most of my position at 25,706 area. Stops will be 5-minute close back above pre-market low. M and Q shorts is what I'm in.
Hopefully it just dies for you, bro.
I want to get my full position first. I may not get my full position, everyone. My stop loss is what I said earlier. Close above pre-market low, 5 minute. Everyone understand?
I full ported Grizzly. Please make sure it's 100% win rate.
It is so far this year. Talk to me in a month. We'll see where we're at. Right here's the area. All right, everyone. See what happens. I'm gonna keep my stop 5 minute close back above pre-market low in position for that. Will this be my first loss of the year, or will it print? If you want to manage your risk even tighter, and it's okay if you do, the 5 minute close back above point of control could be your stop as well, which is at 706. I'm full size, so let's see what happens.
Oh, woo! Oh, it's one of those stretches where it just slow leaves your body. Sheesh. You guys ever have those where you just stretch and the soul leaves your body? It feels like. You get your ad up there too, Grizzly? Or you go above 700?
No, I added there. I went ahead and added.
I thought we.
Yeah.
I wasn't paying attention. Yep, I think I'm gonna be able to get the paperwork started on selling my green card today. I'm excited.
Nice.
Gonna add a bunch of Bitcoin to my portfolio. I'll finally hit my mark of owning over 20. I should be over that, but I don't need that much more. I will officially own over 20 Bitcoins.
It's
It's
awesome.
been my goal for a long time.
Push down for us.
I think the new goal should be owning more Bitcoins than my age. So I'm 29, so I gotta own 30 Bitcoins.
Let's rip straight down. We don't need to go any higher, NQ.
Even if you could just retest down into like 50s, that'd be a nice trade.
I want to see what we do with this overnight low if we push back down there. We're green, yes, but I want a big move. I'm talking like mega trade. We'll have to trim around that overnight low though. We can trim here actually, but I want a little lower for my first trim at least. There we go. We can trim. Well, 670 would make it 1-to-1 close. Wrong way, NQ. Go down. Uh-oh. We're touching point of control here.
Rolling up.
Oh.
Hopefully you can sweep up in the POC and then die.
Yeah, we touched it there, so.
Yeah, we touched like almost to a T, almost to the dollar.
Yeah.
Almost to the point.
If you're oversized in this trade, you can take some off at break even, lower your risk if you would like, everyone. rip straight down.
Come on, rip in his favor. Test the point of control and die. Break the pre-market low. Not even in this trade. I'm rooting for you.
It looks good. It's just hanging out here for some reason.
It's enjoying the stay in this range.
Thomas, you're the man. Appreciate that.
Rut roll.
Wrong way, Yankee.
No sweep. I mean, you got the 50% retracement and 61.8 up here. Hopefully you can test up here, fail, and then die. Or it's just going to do the BS and hang out in the range.
I would rather it do anything but just hang out here and chop us around all day.
Anything, huh?
Anything. Hit or stop.
Said
First
anything.
price target.
Piece of A-Town. Come on, you swept that. Let's see if you swept that 50% retracement here. Let's see if you can get that move down now. Come on. Do it for Grizzly Glock. You know what would be the chef's kiss is if you could get this candle right here, have an aggressive body down, a big old hammer reversal after sweeping 50%. You can get that with some higher volume. That look great. Hopefully that's what you get. Why is my phone not working?
Let's go straight down. I know you want to. It's just like,
Come on. Push it down. Mrs. Jen, are you in the shorts? Mr. Jeans rock with you. Grizzly.
nice.
Mr. Jeans rocking with you. It's looking good.
Push down for us. Give us our trim.
Gene says he taught you how to trade.
He did.
says
All
he
to
taught
him.
you. And he taught Brandon. He for sure taught Brandon. I wonder how Brandon's doing today.
I think I taught Brandon and Gene.
Come on, break that pre-market high, or pre-market low, excuse me.
We're in profits. I don't like this price action at all. It's just doing it's just slowly moving up. Does it move up enough to stop us out before it sells off?
Yeah, I don't love that it's holding above that pre-market high. Needs to break that deal down. Brandon. Shane, how's your
Overnight low, I mean.
angles? killing scheme. Dude, come on. Why? Let's try separate. I don't know, maybe a Breck. Yeah, let's try separate. Take the Jeep. I'll buy you a Hellcat if you come. Take the Hellcat for nothing. He's coming. Uh-huh. Yeah, he's gonna go for the day and come back down. I'll probably ski the afternoon. I might trade in the morning till like 8 or 8:30, and then just like go up to the mountain and be there by 10:30. Ski all day, and then maybe I might stay up there. I gotta call the boss and ask if I can. Hold on, let me call my boss and ask if I can.
My phone's ringing. I'm playing.
Yo,
I took a trim, everyone. I'm trimming here. Forget this
What
price
is it?
section. Took a trim in the 70s. This price section is on my nerve.
Hold on, guys. I gotta call my boss. Make sure I can go to the slopes this weekend. Oh, she was calling.
Come on, push down. Rip.
Hello? Oh, hey. I wonder if I could take off. I mean, I guess that's okay.
All right, everyone. If you haven't trimmed, trim.
As long as you made your team money this week.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Yeah, this is printing right now. Not a boy Grizzly. Yeah, my boy Grizzly's printing right now. I made the team money this weekend.
That's
Gene's
it.
making some money. All right, I guess you can get out of here for this weekend. A little early tomorrow. Have fun skiing. All right, guys. I called the boss and he said it was fine if I.
That's my first trade. Winner.
And Grizzly's printing. Grizzly's killing it right now. Getting that breakdown.
Let's let our winners run. Let's move our stops to entry, and let's see if we can get a big move out of this trade, everyone. Could be our biggest day all week if this plays out right. My average is in the 90s, yes. Anybody making any money on this trade? MNQ.
You know what? Kindle looks good for a reversal too. We're not in a trade yet for a pop back up. I'm likely done for the day, but for a pop back up for market high and then continuation down, that looks great. Nice job, Grizzly Glock.
Appreciate it, man.
Great job, bro.
One setup. It's nice to see your patience pay off with a nice trade like this. Beautiful, everyone. I'm taking more off here. I was full size, so I got some runners this time.
2 for 2. If you guys made money with Grizzly or with myself, make sure you guys post your games. Make sure you tag Grizzly, tag myself. Alright, I got something for you guys. I still have some leftover.
4. I got. Oh, sorry. I was gonna say one more thing.
Just say,
4-0 this year.
go ahead.
0 losses live with you all. 4-0. Go ahead.
Yep. I was saying for someone who
What do you think about that? Massive trade. We'd had literally 706 was our main ad area. That's what we said the entire time. We had 8 points of drawdown, never closed above point of control. Perfect. Perfect trade. Remember, everyone, if you use this indicator on my screen every day in these lives, right now, for today only, I turned on the 7-day free trial for the monthly. Okay, go to grizzlytrades.com. Make sure you download the WAP app once you get it, and join the community. Read the user guide, complete user guide, step by step. So, 7-day free trial today only. I leave the 7-day free trial on too long. You know, we get people in there we don't want in. All right, everyone. I am down to my last couple of runners, and I got my stop deep in profits.
This is good a little bit.
I did it for you, Keith. You recommended it, so I did it.
So,
I wouldn't. I just wait to the next full size for the next legit setup, DJ.
great job, Grizzly Glock.
Appreciate it, man. My biggest day of the year. Took a little patience. We're in this bullish fair value gap now. I'm curious to see if we just flush or bounce here. It's the deciding point. Don't do it. It's about to get my stop on my runners. It got it. I'm out of this trade completely.
Look at that candle right there. It's like aggressively pushing back up.
Yeah, right in that fair value gap, that midline. Would have been the entry on that.
I couldn't even short that candle if I wanted to. They call me mother.
You all want? Will you all watch it if I do another trade recap on YouTube?
That was awesome.
I'll consider it if you
Make
all
sure
watch
you
it.
guys are signed up for my next free live training too. It's coming Tuesday.
I appreciate you all hanging out and sticking through the boring period with me there this morning. I cannot stress how important it is for us to keep discipline like we did. It is very important if you want to be profitable this year that we do this together. We don't take trades unless it confirms, and only at key levels, not before. If you all can just do this with me, just make yourself do it, just for a couple months with me. I promise you, you'll have so much more discipline than you did from the start. You'll almost be unrecognizable to people around you. But that's the live for today, everyone. I'll see you in the morning, okay? Everyone gonna be here in the morning? I'll be. I appreciate the front run it. People always tell me I should get into voice acting. I'm down. I don't know how to do that, but I'd try it. All right, everyone. I'll catch you in the morning, okay? Go get Grizzology, the 7-day free trial. Go do it as soon as we get off here. I'm turning it off tonight, so. GrizzlyTrades.com.